Hey guys, Sylvia here. I actually pressed stop on the previous recording, so this is going to be a video just about the young birds and how I'm weaning them. So here are the 12 guys, 12 youngsters. They're doing quite well. They're all on the bottom now, but as you can see, they've been flying up already. The evidence is in the poop. That's funny. Um, I don't think they've flown up on these, but I've seen them by the windows and in these box perches everywhere. And I got some grit over there. I got some food here. And I'm trying to, well, I'm still going to feed small seeds, but still a good variety. I just want them to learn how to eat good, and then I'll eventually start changing to add more peas and bigger grain, so that they learn how to eat the big stuff and the protein and not just pick on the small feed. But just for now, I just want them to get food in, and I'm not worried about that yet. Eventually I will change it up. So but they're doing good. I've gotten them by hand and put their head in the water a couple of times. I don't want to take chances that they don't know where to get the water, but I'm hoping that they can go and drink now by themselves. But I'll probably do it one more time. I've seen 4 of these guys already going to drink, so those 4 I don't need to do. But everybody else, I haven't witnessed them drink. But so I'll continue to put their beaks in the water a couple more times just to ensure that they don't go dehydrated. So it's nice and sunny. And again, they're doing quite well. So I have 12 right now and the 4 in the nest still. I'm thinking mid next week I'll be bringing the other 4, and that's the first round, 16 babies. I have I think 52 perches. I'm thinking that I will have around 50 by the end of the season, but I know I'll be losing some eventually. But if I need to, I can always add more perches. This is pretty big, and I think they'll have plenty of room. It's not good when the loft is too crowded or simply crowded. Let's not give them a reason not to be motivated to come home when they're training and on the races. So this is my first team, Team A, and I'm excited. But that's it, guys. Give me any comments that you wish, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.